Welcome to Don Carinderia series. On a rainy evening, it's really nice to enjoy hot soup, and one of my favorites is beef sinigang with watermelon. This recipe is inspired by the beef sinigang from Manam. Let's prepare the ingredients. First thing to do is to cut some onions. Then we're going to slice some tomatoes. Next thing to do is to slice some string beans. Be sure they're of equal size. Then we're going to cut some eggplants. If you're a fan of okra, you can add some okra. Once you're done slicing your veggies, set them aside. Next, we're going to work on our watermelon using an ice cream scoop. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's start cooking. In a big pot, be sure that your oil is hot because we're going to sear our beef. When you're searing your beef, it enhances the flavor. When you see the brown bits at the bottom of your pot, that's a good sign. Brown your beef on all sides. Next, we'll add water until the beef is submerged. So bring this to a boil. When you see some white and brown stuff floating, this is called scum. We need to remove them using an oil skimmer. You may have to do this several times to make sure that the water is clear. Simmer for 3 to 4 hours. Halfway, let's add in our onions and tomatoes. And then add your watermelon. We want the broth to be infused with the watermelon juices, so it will be sweet and tangy later on. Using our trusted skimmer again, we need to remove the seeds. Add your tamarind powder. When the beef is tender, add your veggies. Don't forget your chilies. Lastly, add some kangkong. Simmer for 2 more minutes. Enjoy your beef sinigang with watermelon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.